So, how exactly do you redesign a massive, complex factory in just 1 week?
Well, that was the exact problem facing a car lamp manufacturer down in southern Poland.
They needed a new, much more efficient layout for their entire production line.
And this was no small operation. We're talking 270 people working 2 full shifts, all inside a massive 28,000 square meter facility. It's huge.
The real puzzle was the material flow between all these different interconnected processes.
So what was the answer? A digital twin. We used it to simulate their entire operation.
Our process is simple. We built a virtual model, tested 3 layouts, and compared the results.
And those simulations made it incredibly clear. One layout was just way more effective. The best part? This entire dynamic analysis with all the variables took just 1 week. And get this, building the actual virtual model of the plant, that only took 6 hours.
The final payoff was a solid 6% increase in the plant's daily productivity.
The big win came from one simple change, a central warehouse that just crushed the bottlenecks.
You see, this tech gives you so many advantages, from rapid prototyping to deep analysis.
And with VR, managers can literally walk through the new design, making decisions super intuitive. It's really an all-in-one platform that guides you through your factory's entire digitalization.
So you can see how a digital twin can completely transform your own operations too.
So ready to start your digital transformation? Let's book a 30-minute chat and get started.